Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your phone number in Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram application. Once we have opened the Telegram application, we can go to the Telegram setting. You can click on the three lines and then go to the settings. In the settings, you need to go to the privacy and security right here and go to the phone number option. And if you want to hide your phone number, you have to select nobody so nobody can view your phone number. You can also add exception if you want. You just need to click on add exception right here and then just add user. Okay, and here you just need to select users you want to allow to view your phone number. And don't forget to click on the check mark to save the setting. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide phone number on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.